Let's know from 1234 Media Bio. Why do we have hiccups? Keen to know? Let's check out. Hiccups are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm. Diaphragm is the muscle that separates the chest from the abdomen and plays an important role in breathing. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of the vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. Hiccups may result from a large meal, alcohol, carbonated beverages, or sudden excitement. In some cases, hiccups may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. For most people, a bout of hiccups usually lasts only a few minutes. Some hiccups may persist for months. This can result in weight loss and exhaustion. Check out this picture. It clearly shows that the vocal cord opens, and then closes, to produce a hiccup. More on hiccups. Hiccups may sometimes be accompanied by a slight tightening sensation in the chest, abdomen, or throat. Make an appointment to see your doctor if your hiccups last more than 48 hours. In such a case, they might be so severe that they cause problems with eating, sleeping, or breathing. Hey, what about the causes of hiccups? Here they are: drinking carbonated beverages, drinking too much alcohol, eating too much, excitement or emotional stress, sudden temperature changes, and swallowing air with chewing gum, or sucking on candy. What about those 48 hours severe hiccups? Those might cause nerve damage or irritation, central nervous system disorders, or metabolic disorders. So how was the story? Let me know in the comment section down below. Hey, I'm quite keen to know about any story that you might heard. Let me know down below in the comments. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel 1234 Media Bio, to keep on acquiring knowledge like